Hey kids, Mr. Glenn here. I'm going to show you that we should have this asset made before we go into the next part. So in here we chose to use a quick selection tool or the Magic Wand tool. For this, because I've got black marks in here already, I am going to use a color range. And so from a pipette, I'm going to go and choose that. And I will cut out the visor as well. I'll have it about that. And then I'm going to go and cut that out. So you should have had this made and exported. So you should be able to save this as a quick export as a PNG. So you can right click on here and you can quickly export this layer as an astronaut floating. That should be done already and cut out, and then we're going to get ready to make this. Right, good luck. Hey kids, Mr. Glenn here, hope you're well. So what we're going to do next is add our astronaut, and we are going to drop it onto our layer here. It's quite small in this large 24 by 36 inch frame. So what we're going to do is we're going to hold down shift again and keep the aspect ratio like we did with our backdrop, and we are going to bring the astronaut into the foreground a little bit. So what I might do is just tilt this slightly, just to give it that look as though it's floating a little bit. I think that might do. However, where my text is going to go later, so what I'm doing is thinking about where my text is going to go. I don't like where this hand is because it's in this, it's too, it falls away, this hand, the outline of this hand falls away from here. So what I might do is I might go and right click on this, and I might go and flip horizontal like that. And so it kind of looks like he's high-fiving at the moment. So I'm going to tilt this and actually tilt him the other way like that. Might bring it over to the side because I want my text to be somewhere. So I might have my text here later on, because I also wouldn't mind putting a comet in there flying in the background. So yeah, I'll do that. That seems all right at the moment, because we should have saved this from the previous video, and we should have cut the background out of this already. Right, good luck.